Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Index Insider. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video to analyze for you the SP 500, the Nasdaq 100, and the DXY. So, if you are a swing trader, stick with us all in the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline on the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style. On the timeline, it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Discord through our Patreon. The link of our Discord is down in the description of that video if you want for long-term investment in the SP 500. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the SP 500 here chart in front of you in the 4 hours. Today, after the Fed interest rate and Jerome Powell press conference, we saw everything is dipping, as you see it here. And that's what me have been telling you in yesterday video. I told you don't try to open any trade, try to avoid the market at that time. As you see, look at us, the market is deep too much today, and that you remember that here in the last video thumbnail we make it like that, a double top like that. As you see it, it's getting broke here. That one, what it's telling you? It's telling you the SP 500 is going to fall down till down here. You see it, how it draw it or no, from that low here and the peak of that candle here. I can't tell you exactly the level. The level is down here at 43.37.2. That's the first level. Second level is down here. So that whereas the SP 500 is going to fall down till down here. Then from here we're going to see if we're going to go back up or no. Or maybe you're going to see a small correction here. But at this time you don't got nothing here. It's just a very sharp down candle here. And there is a trading strategy about when is it a big sharp candle like that. You're waiting in the 50% of it to enter more short. So till now there is nothing. You need to wait more till you got a clear picture. Here in the 4 hours, the SP 500 it's looking like we are going to fall down more than that. And that's what us we've been talking all the week about that. When we fall down from here, from that last high here, us we're telling you the SP 500 is going to fall down. And that's what's happening exactly. At this time, to enter long, there is nothing yet. You need to wait in more till you got here a clear price action. At this time, we don't got nothing, so you need to wait in more. And those people, they enter short, is going to fall down more than that. I'll just show you till where, till down here. So here, there is nothing. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is very close to touch here the oversold area. Shall we enter long now? Not yet. You just wait till that one here touch the oversold area. That time, yes, you can start thinking of to buy. Even our other indicator, let me show it to you. That one here, as you see it, it's enter here to oversold area. So you thinking of to buy now? At this time, no, my friend. We don't got any price action here to confirm for us we need to buy. So we need to wait until we got a clear picture. Till now, we don't got any clear picture and any entering from here now. It's like a pure gambling. So wait till you got here a price action telling you need to enter long. So everything is too clear. Now we're going to see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. So we're going there. We started from here because as every day we need to know why US stock market today it fall down. So that article as every day. So the first thing as you see it and that major news of today is the Federal Reserve. This kept rate hike that meant deposit that month but they lean into higher for long stand. That meant the Fed is going to increase interest rate more than that. And and that bad news that man all those problems were happening now to US market, and the Fed want to increase interest rate more. They want to fall down inflation to 2%. That the target of them, but that is going to take some time because now the inflation it started going back upward. So that's why we saw today the US market it started falling. Another thing, today the treasury yield, they're given a new high after the pressure will come from the Fed, because the Fed it said they are going to increase more interest rate. And as you see, the 2-year and 10 years yield, they still give us new highs. It's a record till now. So if you are a stock investor for long term, we explain all those things in our stock or technical analysis course. For stock people, they always hedge the risk by the bonds, and that's what we saw in here. And the third thing is that one here. Instacart, that one fell down today more. As you see, it fell down 10% at the end of the day. And that one, even that one is a bad news. I think picture is too clear, guys, but that one it's not important. The most important is the treasury yield and interest rate that will pushing the US market to fall down today. Now let's go into see the coming news for today. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, is it here. We got Bank of England interest rate decision is going to come today. As you see it, the forecast here, the Bank of England is going to increase interest rate 25 point or 25 or 0.25%. As you see it here, it's going to come at 11 o'clock GMT time. Then you change it with your local time depending where you are in the world. Plus here, what we got initial jobless claim, Philadelphia manufacturing index, and exit in home sales. All those ones they are going to come between 12:30 till 2 o'clock GMT time. So be careful, guys. And here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day. Look at it here, what it's telling us till now. All US stocks today closing red, and also we tell it to you in Monday when Monday candle close green. We told you we're going to see a very red week, and that's what's happening exactly, guys. Another thing here, as you see it, is it the VIX today it go back up. That means currency is getting more higher and higher because Jerome Powell what he said in the press conference. I haven't listened to it, but I just summarize everything what he said. Everything looking very bad for Jerome Powell or the Fed president. That way we saw the VIX it go back up. Today we are 15. People they been with us here in that channel, they remember just few days we used to be 12. Now we are 15. That means currency it go back more higher. Should you be worried? Well, no, it's not yet. Also, we're still below the 20, so there is nothing yet. You need to wait in more till the right time. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the SP 500 doing today in 30 minutes. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in 30 minutes, you remember what me I told you about that megaphone here. I showed it to you in the last videos. I told you like that. And as you see it, today it's break it down here. So the market it's being here, sideways here. And you, if you want to enter short, will have you enter based on the double top here. As you see it, when it's breaking here, the neckline will have you enter short. At this time, what you have here, you still have here the downtrend like that. And now you're waiting if you got a price action here at that level. Will tell you to enter long or no. At this time, you don't got nothing, but you just wait a price action here at that level here. Look at it. I'm going to show it to you here at that zone. If you got any price action here, try to enter long. Remember my word. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Here in 30 minutes, tell now there is nothing. You just wait a price action here at that zone here. Let's see our indicator was it in. Our indicator, as you see it, is down here at the oversold area. So technically you need to looking for buy. As I told you, need to wait in a price action here in 30 minutes. If there is no price action, that means the SP 500 is going to fall down more than that. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the Nasdaq 100, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Here, same thing we said about the SP 500. We say it here. Only thing here, if you see in the Nasdaq, you got here a down trend here. You can make it like that. And here in the top, you can make something like that. You got here a down channel here. As you see it, you touch it here, you touch it here. Only time when it give us here a fake out, then it go back inside. Now you are down here. Maybe you're going to see the market going back up, or maybe it's going to break it down. Well, now you need to focus about that down channel here. But me, I just show you in the SP 500, even here in the Nasdaq, you need to focus about that two levels which we are down here. The first level here is at 14,708.6. Another level is it down here at 14,574. So those was the level, the first one here. Second one is it here in the tail of that candle. Then you came and you draw in there a square between the tail and the one down here like that, and you do it like that. So the Nasdaq 100 is going to fall down till that level here as you see it. I think picture is too clear. The Nasdaq 100 it's still falling down. There is nothing yet. You need to wait more. If you remember, also we used to say it about that double top here. That's what also we used to say. Now it's breaking for us the neckline, and the 4-hour candle is closing below here. That man is going to fall down more than that. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here, let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's very close to touch here the oversold area. So technically, also we need to looking for buy. Another thing very important here in the Nasdaq 100, you see here at that zone, where is it the market now? Exactly, let me tell it to you, 14,972. That level here, you need to be focused about it. That one here, if the market is going to reverse from it or no, because last time from here it reversed. Now you are in it here. If you zoom out, you're going to find it a very stronger level. But I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here, we're still with the Nasdaq, but here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in the last video, also we're telling you, till now we haven't broken, and also we're just touching a very stronger supply and demand zone, as you remember it here, and it touched it even here. Then it give you here at that zone here, a double top, very clear double top there. Although from there you try to enter short, because here, look at it, used to be like a cup and handle here. It's breaking the neckline here down. So although you enter short from that candle here till down here. But me, I don't want to trade today because majority of you didn't know when there is news coming. Me, I don't trade. That's why me, I still waiting all the whole day. Now at that level where we are here, should we enter long? Because all our indicators, they are at the oversold area. Plus level also we are in a very stronger level. Should we enter long? If the market gave you here a price action, guys, like how is it here? It's need to give you here another price action. By the way, if you want to use the strategy me I'm telling you, down below in the first comment we explain very well how to catch those price action, how to find them, the level, all those things is it down below in the first comment in our day trading stock market. You can go and benefiting from that, and of course it's not expensive. If using the link down, it's going to cost you only 13 bucks. It's the price of a cup of coffee, my friend, and the information is it in that course. It's highly value information, but it's up to you. So I think everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is it down here at the oversold area. So technically you need to looking for buy. Should you enter long now? Tell the market, tell you that at this time you don't have nothing there, so you need to wait more till you got here a very clear price action. This time there is nothing, so you need to wait more, guys. So everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the DXY or US dollar what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar, guys. Here, you remember what me I told you about that yellow trend line here, and I told you in the last video DXY is still going up, and even what it came today from the Fed, it telling us US dollar is going to give us more higher than that. At this time, should you enter short here? Not yet. There is nothing here. That yellow one we need to take it off because the market it fell down very close to touch that long term white one here. So So there is nothing here, and even if you bring here those moving averages, as you see it, that the 100 and that one here is the 200, the red one is the 100 and the blue one is the 200, and as you see them how sharp they are, it's impossible to enter now a short unless if you got here a very clear price action. Till now you don't got nothing, so you need to wait more, and the DXY it's still giving us higher high, so there is nothing guys here. Even people they trade in the forex today, the euro USD it fell down, it gave us a record low, the cable it fell down below in the 200 moving average, so all those ones they trading against the US dollar, they falling down against it. USD Japanese yen it giving us a new high. That's what I'm telling you. Let's see our indicator what it's saying guys. Our indicator, that's why I told you also we don't base our trading on technical indicators, because anyone he teaching you and he base his trading about technical indicator, don't follow him guys, because technical indicators they give you thousands and millions fake signals, not like price action, but it's up to you who you want to follow. So I think everything is too clear guys here. Now let's go into see the DXY what it's doing today in 30 minutes. Here we are in 30 minutes guys. Here the XY it gave us here in that very stronger supply and demand zone. It go back to it as you see it. How many times it's been touched till now? That the fourth time here. Should we enter long now? If it's breaking here, that supply and demand zone here, a candle closing above here, that means the US dollar is going to give us a new high. But if it give us here a smaller price action here, you can enter short again. At this time there is nothing, so you need to wait more, and that's how me are looking at it. That the level exactly, let me tell it to you, for some, because some people they started criticizing me, they said me I don't say levels. Level is it at 105.433. that if we break it here, that man US dollar is going to go more higher and going to give us a new high. For another scenario over here is going to give us here a price action, then also we're going to enter a short tail down. So now what you need to do, you need to focus on that level here. If the market going to give you here a price action, that man from here is going to fall down till down here. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, if we're breaking above here, that man US dollar is going to give us a new high guys. So I think picture is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you said, it started entering here to overbought area. So technically you need to look into enter short. I told you there is no entry short unless if we got here a very clear price action. If there is no price action, there is no entry short guys. Remember those things what I'm telling you. So everything is too clear guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it. Thank you very much my friends. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.